Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm super excited about. I'm going to be showing you guys how to style the neon trend. Neon is huge for spring and I've seen it all over the runways, even going into fall of next year, so it is not going anywhere. And I know it can be a little bit of a more intimidating trend to figure out how to wear on an everyday basis. So I wanted to create this video for you guys to show you how easy it actually is to wear neon. This video is in partnership with Windsor. You guys know I work with them every month, and all of the neon pieces in today's video are from Windsor, and I will have everything in all of the outfits linked in the description box down below so you can check it out with sizes and all that good stuff. But without further ado, let's hop in. I cannot wait to show you guys the looks. Okay, so the first neon piece we are styling is this lime green cropped sweater turtleneck from Windsor. This is a perfect staple for your wardrobe for right now and going into spring. You can literally layer this under so many different things. What I've done in this first look is paired it with these cargo style sweats. I love the way that the green looks with beige. I think it's the perfect color combination. And just a pair of black booties with a black leather jacket over it. Like I said, keeping everything super neutral and then letting the neon be the pop of color, I think is the perfect way to go. And I love the way that this look kind of comes together. You have like the more fitted turtleneck on top, and then the pants on bottom are a little bit looser, so it really balances out the kind of like fittedness with the loose, and it just looks so cute. To me, this outfit is very like Bella Hadid vibes, which is goals. Another way that you can style this lime green turtleneck, which oh my god, this one is honestly my favorite. It's a little bit more dressy, but I have this amazing beige oversized blazer. Actually, this is vintage, so I will link a ton of similar options below, but any sort of beige or camel colored oversized blazer and wearing it as a dress, I love that trend right now, so I'm mixing the two. And the way that the turtleneck pops out of the top, I think it looks so freaking cute. And a seatbelt like belts are really in right now, so this one is black. I just cinched my waist in with it. This is the perfect thing to do with a really oversized blazer to give you a little bit more shape, and then a pair of black booties. And I feel like this outfit is so cool. It is my favorite for sure, and I love the way that it came together. So you could also do this with a black blazer dress if you already have one in your closet, but really cute, beige or black. Just keep it neutral and you'll be good. Okay, the next look is a little bit more daring. I haven't really seen anybody style neon pants yet. I've seen them like in jogger form, but I loved these really hot pink flare pants from Windsor. They're kind of a dressier pant, which I love. I feel like you can really wear these to the office or with sneakers. There's a lot of different ways you can go with it. Pants are also super flattering, like really flattering in the waist, and they have like a really nice tie around the waistline that like cinches you in and looks so good. I love the way this looks just paired with like this gray hoodie. Actually, I'm wearing it right now, and I kind of just tucked it up into my bra to kind of crop it a little bit and threw like an oversized boyfriend blazer over it, and I feel like it really pulls it together. It kind of mellows the pants out, and it really makes it so wearable. Like, I love this look so much, and I feel like the pants are so fun. This is like a great outfit. It's still comfortable, but the pink pants make you stand out for sure, and I feel like this came together really nicely. The next look is actually styling another hot pink item, and it's this kind of like mesh see-through crop top from Windsor, which is really popular right now. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like before I put something over it, but I basically just layered this with that same black blazer from H&M, but this time I just buttoned it all the way fully closed. And this blazer is freaking amazing. It's from H&M. I love this blazer. It is like your classic black blazer that you need in your closet. I've had this for so long and I wear it so many different ways. Honestly, it's such a good essential. Layered it over my leather leggings from Windsor, which I'm obsessed with. I showed these in pretty much every video because I've been wearing them nonstop, but they're kind of like these lace-up leather pant looking pants that are like almost like a coated denim. You can style them so many different ways, but I love the way that this looks together for like drinks or like a date night. You could honestly even wear this to work because the blazer makes it look like very pulled together. And I have these beautiful like hot pink satin lace-up heels from Misguided that I feel like just really take this look up a notch, and it looks stunning. So So I feel like wearing like a classier outfit with neon is a really good way to kind of style it because it mellows it out. It makes it look super elevated versus like too crazy. And last but not least, of course, I always have to throw in a super chill and comfy look because that's totally me most of the time. This is just a comfy outfit with jeans. I got my black booties from Windsor and this super oversized graphic Ariana Grande tee from PLT. I will definitely link that below because it is amazing. And a super oversized denim black jacket from Princess Polly. Neon in this one is this really cute neon hat from Windsor. I love this hat. It's so cute, and I feel like this is like a good way to wear the trend if you want to be a little bit more mellow. And this is just a very chill outfit. It'd be so cute for like hanging out with your boyfriend or going to the movies or a weekend look. It's just really, really cute and comfy and just gives a little pop of neon and it's not too overwhelming. So I hope you guys enjoyed these looks. I love all of them. I'm so proud of the way that this video turned out. Also, let me know if there's any other spring trends that you guys want me to style for you that you've been seeing that you're unsure like how to navigate. I would love to create those videos for you guys. So leave them in the comments. I love you and I will see you in the next vid in the next couple of days.
You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder, my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right.